Attention Gmail users. These 6 hacks will completely change how you email. From undoing sent emails to scheduling messages, let's dive in. 1. Undo sent emails. Ever hit send too soon? No worries. You can undo a sent email in just a few clicks. Click on the settings icon, go to Settings General, enable Undo Send and set the delay to 30 seconds. Now, whenever you send an email, you'll see an undo button for a few seconds. Click it and your email won't be sent. 2. Stop receiving promotional emails. Tired of spammy promotional emails? Here's how to delete them all in one go. Type unsubscribe in the Gmail search bar. Select all emails. Click delete. Studio microphone. Say goodbye to email clutter in seconds. 3. Schedule emails to send later. Want to look like you're working late at night? Schedule emails for later. Click the down arrow next to send. Choose schedule send. Pick the date and time. Now, your email will be sent automatically at your chosen time. 4. Snooze emails for later. Too busy to reply now? Snooze emails and deal with them later. Click the clock icon. Select when you want the email to reappear. It'll pop back in your inbox when you're ready. 5. Organize emails with labels. Messy inbox? Use labels to organize everything. Click the Labels button. Create new labels, apply them to emails. Now, you can find important emails instantly. 6. Archive emails instead of deleting. Want to clean your inbox without losing important emails? Use Archive. Select Emails and click Archive. They're out of your inbox but still searchable anytime. Did you find these hacks useful? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to TechAssistHub for more tech tips. Hit like, share this video with your friends.